Hello, good morning to everyone. I hope everyone did well in your periodic test 3. So today we will start now fourth question of 10.4. In this chapter we already learned many theorems. Okay, you have to remember these theorems. Okay, so question number 4, read everyone. If a line intersect two concentric circles. Concentric circle mean concentric circles. Concentric circles mean circles those have same radius. Okay, in the question is also given what is concentric circle? Circles with the same center. So here is given. Suppose O is the center and O is the center of both circle is given. Okay, because circles are given concentric. Concentric means the circles which have same center. Okay, with the same center, with center O, center is O. Yes. Next is A, B and C, D are intersect these two circles A, B, C, D. 1 second. A, B, C and D. A line segment intersect the two circles at A, B, C and D, and these circles are concentric. Then prove that AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. It is very easy question. If you have to remember the theorems, you can solve easily. Look at. So tell me, what you can say that if O is center and it is AB line, O is center, so it means AB is chord, yes, of which one? Bigger circle. So we write not AD. Okay, so AD is chord of bigger circle, and tell me, if we take smaller circle and it is B and it is C, so it means and BC is chord of smaller circle. It is given or not? Yes, of smaller circle. But we want to prove AB equal to CD. Otherwise, you can write this one. AB is the chord of the bigger circle. Okay. Suppose you forget, smaller is not given. It is. Now, and tell me, if AD is the chord of the bigger circle, and if you draw the perpendicular OM, and perpendicular mean the perpendicular from the center is always bisect the chord. AD is the chord of bigger circle. OM is perpendicular on AD. Therefore, if OM is perpendicular, if perpendicular means the perpendicular from the center to the chord always bisect the chord. Bisect means AM equal to MD. Why? AM equal to MD. Reason you can write. Right? Perpendicular from the center, the perpendicular from the center bisect. Bisect mean divide into two equal. Bisect the chords. Only this one. Next is same as it is. If we take this one circle smaller, it is smaller circle. Okay. It is B. It is C. So you can write BC is chord of smaller circle, and you know if it is BC is chord of smaller circle, and we know OM is perpendicular. OM is also perpendicular on AD. OM is it is sign of perpendicular. Okay, this one perpendicular. If OM perpendicular to AB, therefore BM equal to MC. Same reason. Can you write yourself? It is equation number 1. It is equation number 2. Same, right? Okay. Now, but we want to prove. We need AB. Here is AM. So from AM, what we subtract, we get BM. We get AB. We have to subtract a BM. So AM minus BM. AM minus BM. What is remain? AB. Right? Subtract equation 2 from 1. We can subtract easily. Yes, what is AM minus BM equal to MD minus MC. Understand it? It is equation number 2. AM minus BM. AM minus BM. What is remain? AB. And next MD. MD minus MC. What is remain? Equal to CD. And what we want to prove? AB equal to CD. We only here apply the theorems and easily we solve it. Understand it? So always remember, perpendicular from the center is always bisect the chord. Okay. Next question. Question number 5. So it is very easy question. Next is question number 5. Three girls, Resma, Salma and Mandeep are playing a game by standing on a circle. By standing on a circle. Okay. It is a circle. Okay. We have given a circle. This one circle. Okay. And three girls. Resma, suppose Resma is there. Resma. Next is Resma, Salma and Mandeep. Salma. And standing on the circle, Resma throw a ball to Salma. Here is Salma. And third one is, suppose it is center of the circle. Oh. And it is Mandeep. It is given, what is given that? Resma throw a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep and Mandeep to Resma. If the distance between Resma and Salma and distance Salma and Mandeep is 6 cm. It is given distance between Resma and Salma. Distance is always shortest. So it means it is given 6 cm. Understand it? So it means it is a chord or not? Yes, it's like a chord. And next is distance between Salma to Mandeep is also 6 cm. Now we have to find the distance between Resma and Mandeep. We have to find this one. Distance between R and M. It is M. It is S. Okay. We have to find this distance. And it is one more thing is given. The radius of the circle is 5 cm. So O to S. This one is how much? 5 cm. It is 6 cm. Now tell me, if we want to find distance between R and M, so it means suppose it is point any n point, so Rn plus Nm and Rn and Nm are same or not? Yes, we will check. And look at Resma, Salma and Mandeep. Distance between Resma and Salma 6. Salma and Mandeep 6. We have to find distance between Resma and Mandeep. And tell me O to R. It is also radius. It is 5 centimeter. Understand? Understand or not? We want to find RM. Understand or not? So now tell me. Everyone know S to R. S, it is S, it is R, and it is 6 centimeter, and it is center, and perpendicular from the center is always bisect the chord. Always bisect the chord in 3 and 3. So you can write. To write radius of circle 5 centimeter. Okay. Diagram is very important. You have to make diagram. Okay. The radius is 5 centimeter and distance between Resma and Salma is 6 centimeter. Okay, 6 centimeter. Now to write in triangle SOR. In triangle SOR, what is SR is chord. SR is chord, and we know OSR. If it is chord and if we draw perpendicular, it is always divided into 2 equal parts. So you can write. So we draw the perpendicular from here. So it is perpendicular, and it is suppose any point. It is a P point. So you can write OP is perpendicular to SR. OP is perpendicular, and perpendicular on the chord from the center always bisect the chord. Therefore, SP equal to PR equal to 3 centimeter. Same reason. Perpendicular bisect the chord. Same reason again. And tell me now, it is a triangle. Okay. It is R, it is S, and it is O given. O. And we know, if you want to find area of triangle, suppose it is P point, it is 3, it is 3, and SO is given 5, it is also 5, and it is perpendicular. Okay. And we know, if in any triangle, if you want to find area mean 1 by 2 base into height. Base into height. If we are taking this one is base, so height we have to take this one. And if we will take base is this one, so height we will take this one height. And we know both are same triangle. Both are same triangle. It means their area is also equal. You write area of triangle SOR 1 by 2 into, suppose it is any point, it is n point. Okay. 1 by 2. Oh, sorry. One second. So we are taking area. If we want to find, it means it is 3, it is, we don't know, but it is 5. So height first we will find OP. So write OP square plus, we know it is perpendicular. So in this triangle, if it is perpendicular, so this triangle and this triangle, what type of triangle? These two triangles are right angle triangle, and in right angle triangle, opposite of 90 is always hypotenuse. OP square plus P R square equal to RO square. Yes. OP square. OP square plus PR equal to OR square. Because in triangle, it is a right angle triangle. Yes, it is a right angle or not? So it means OP. OP we want to find OP square plus PR. PR is 3 square plus RO. R2O radius. Yes, it is very simple. We only draw from here perpendicular. Perpendicular means it is 6. So it is 3. It is also 3. So now OPR is a right angle triangle. So we will find OP first. Okay. OP. So it's OP. We find so OP square plus PR square equal to OR square. OR is how much? OR is 5 square. So OP square equal to 25 minus 9. How much remain? So OP square equal to 16. So OP is how much? 4 centimeter. Square a number whose square is 16? 4. OP. Minus 4 is also square is 4, but we will take only positive numbers. OP is 4. Okay. Now, but we want to find RM. First we have to find Rn and tell me, suppose it is any triangle. If you want to find, it is S, it is O given and it is R. If I ask you what is the area of this triangle, you will say, sir, it is height 1 by 2 base SO into height Rn. And suppose Rn is not height given. If height is given, if we want to take this one is base is SR. If we are taking SR is base, so it means height we will take on SR. Okay, respectively height and base we have to take. A side on which height is given, it is base. And now, so it's mean, and from so it's mean we can find area of this triangle by two methods. Okay, if we are taking this base, so height is this one. And if we want to take this one base, so height is this one. Okay, to write area of triangle SOR 1 by 2 base SR into height OP. And tell me, suppose you are not taking the base is SR, you are taking the base is SO. So it means 1 by 2 SO base, 1 by 2 base into height. Base is SO and height is RN. Tell me, both are the same, both formula for finding the area of a triangle. So it is also area of triangle, it is also area of triangle, because both are applying in same triangle. Area of triangle, area of triangle. It means both are equal. So now 1 by 2 SR, we know how much. SR is 6. OP, we already find how much is 4 equal to 1 by 2 SO. We know SO is 5 and we want to find RN. 1 by 2 cancel to 1 by 2 cancel because downside and across multiply. 2 cancel 2. Now 6 into 4, 24. 5 come downside, it's 5 equal to RN. But we want to find RM. So RM is 2 times of RM, because same triangle is second will become 6, 5, 5. It is also 6, 5, 5. So the height is same in both of the triangle. So RM equal to 2 into 24 by 5, 48 by 5. So it is become RM is 9.6 centimeter. Do you understand it? So distance between R and M is 9.6 centimeter. Okay. In the question nothing is given, only one thing is given. Here is Reshma standing suppose. Here is Salma, here is Mandir. Distance between Salma to Reshma 6. Salma to Mandir is 6. We have to find distance between R to M. But we observe radius is also given 5. So we join O to S and O to R. It is 5. It is 5. We want to find Rn. It means it is the height of triangle because distance is always perpendicular. So it means in SOR we know SR is a chord and the perpendicular from the center is always bisect the chord. So it is 3. It is also 3. So it is 3, it is 5 and OP we can find because it is a right angle triangle. So OP is come 4. Okay. Now we observe area of triangle 1 by 2. S if we are taking base is SR. So SR into height is OP. But if we are taking base is SO then height is RN. So from here SR we know, OP we know, 1 by 2, SO we know. So we find RN. And R is 24 divided by 5. So this one is 2 times of this one. I hope everyone understand it. Okay. Note down it. Tomorrow we will do last question of this exercise. Okay. Thank you everyone, and I hope you understand it. So do example number 2 is also do in your notebook. Thank you everyone.